One day, Dragon was inside his cozy house, looking outside at the pouring rain. It was very wet outside, and all that water made Dragon think of the ocean and boats.
It's a perfect day to play sailor. Oh. My wagon will be my sailboat.
Dragon used his broom as the sailboat's mast. And because it was a sailboat,
I'll use my towel as the sail.
now Dragon was all ready to push off and cruise on the high seas.
All aboard! Ooh.
Dragon knew sailors used all sorts of special sailor's words to make sailing more fun.
Ahoy, me mateys! Starboard jib on the swabby forecastle! Arr!
He had no idea what any of that meant, but it sounded like something a sailor would say. Dragon watched out for rocks and reefs and other boats. Then he spotted something.
There she blows!
Dragon saw a whale.
Hello, whale.
Dragon was searching for undiscovered land.
I'm the greatest explorer ever.
Then Dragon spied an island. Dragon jumped out of his boat onto the island. The island he'd just discovered.
I now declare this island part of Dragonland.
He'd only just begun, and so far, his rainy day fun was going very well.